Okay, and then just an introduction to how our experiment will work. In particular, how are we going to get the volume of our flask? So one thing we're going to do, this flask is, I believe it says a 25 milliliter flask, but you need to know that's not the real volume of this flask. We call it 25 milliliters, but we need to know the volume all the way up to the top. And these flasks aren't, this kind of flask is not made to have a set volume. So to get the real volume of the flask, what we're going to do is we'll weigh the flask empty with its stopper, and then we'll fill it with water, and then we'll weigh it with water. We will then know how many grams of water there are, and using the density of water, we will be able to calculate the volume of water. Once we have the volume of water, that is the same thing as the volume of the flask. Once we get the volume of the flask, we can fill this with other things and do calculations from that.